One of the things that trips a lot of people up in YNAB is the credit card payment category. Now, when you put in a credit card account in YNAB, it shows here under credit. On the plan side, it automatically shows up as this credit card payment category. If I were to add another credit card account, that would also be in here. So if I do credit card, let's say our balance is 2,000. There it is, $2,000 balance, and you'll see here YNAB has automatically put that credit card in here. You do not need to put an extra credit card category for any of these accounts that are in your YNAB plan. If, for instance, you were paying a credit card off that you did not want in your plan, then you would create a category for that, like so. Something like this that you might just want to put a certain amount of money to every single month. Otherwise, YNAB's going to put those in here for you automatically. So nothing you need to do here. The reason it does that is because it's going to always be trying to keep you on track to make that payment in full. So I'm going to show you the example of how $1 moves through the budget based on if you use a debit card versus a credit card. So there is a difference when you use a debit card. That money just goes, it leaves your account, right? So when you use a credit card, it doesn't actually leave your checking account until you pay that credit card bill. So what YNAB is going to do is try to keep you on track to always be able to pay off that credit card bill in full. Now that may not always be possible because maybe you have a high balance and you're not ready to pay that off right now. That's okay. YNAB's going to alert you to what you need to pay that off. For example, this one here, there's no money assigned in that available column. That's where it's telling you how much you have available for the credit card payment at this time. Currently, there's 0 in there. You would need 2,000 more to pay off your current balance. Doesn't mean you can't make payments that are less than that. YNAB's just alerting you that if you want to pay that off in full, you will need $2,000. So the journey of $1 through the YNAB budget, let's go through that. If you get paid by your employer, and by the way, this journey of $1 is not something that I came up with. This was learned via a podcast from the great Mark Butler, and I use it with every client now because it is such a fantastic example without all the other clutter in your budget. We'll just take a look at how $1 moves. So here in the checking account, we've got an inflow of $1 that's ready to assign. How that affects the plan is now you see that dollar here at the top. So I'm going to assign this particular dollar to eating out. So now you'll see in the eating out category, assigned $1, activity, nothing yet, available $1 to spend. So if I go to Chipotle, and let's say I spent that dollar, it's going to be eating out. I know there's no way to spend $1 at Chipotle, but just bear with me. Now that checking account balance is showing $0, nothing left. We used a debit card. It's gone. It's over. So here you see that dollar is here, activity, and nothing is left available in that category. So let me just delete that transaction from the checking account so that I can show you the difference of if we used a credit card. So I've deleted that account. We're back to square one. There's still $1 in the checking, still $1 left in the eating out category. And now I'm going to go into this credit card and make a transaction for Chipotle. The category is eating out. YNAB is smart. It starts to learn these things pretty quickly. Say that's $1. Now you see that that checking account balance is -1. So you owe the credit card company $1 for that Chipotle purchase. So what YNAB has done is it knows that your dollar does not have the job of eating out anymore. Now the job of that dollar is to pay your credit card bill. So instead of that dollar completely leaving the budget, it actually jumped right up here because now the job of that dollar is to pay your credit card. So this is how YNAB keeps you on track to always be able to pay your credit card off in full as long as you are budgeting towards the categories correctly and covering overspending as it happens.